Hi everybody. Today we're going to be making one of these handy chicken feeding buckets. Don't let the name fool you though. It works just fine for other poultry. We use it for our way too many ducks. It really lets you do less in the morning. I don't want to sound really lazy, but I don't like getting up quite as early as the chickens do. This allows us to leave food there overnight that the pigs can't get to. Put a lid on it. There's a port inside that only lets them feed from the bottom, so you can fill this thing up. It'll last all day. Really easy to do. You can get them off of Amazon. So without further ado, let's just get started. Already done? What do we do now? I don't know. Thank the people for watching the video. Tell them to like and subscribe and give them the bonus you promised them. What he said, I guess. Here's, well, you'll find out. And won't this confuse people? No, that's why I'm wearing the hat.